Hey everyone, so welcome back to the Stellhorn RV and Camping Center YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2026 Puma Camping Edition 121 RKCE. And actually right now I'll go ahead and pop up some specs about the camper. So the reason that we're taking a look at this Puma today is because on our blog at stellhornrv.com, it's listed as one of the top 4 RVs for beginners. It's very sleek and it has everything that you would need to get into camping. It's also very lightweight and it's a very versatile floor plan. So let's go ahead and head in and take a look. All right, so as we enter this RV, we can start with the area that has most of the controls here. This is going to be for your radio and stereo and speakers for indoor and outdoor. Here we have some switches for the lights, and then the awning. And this camper does have a 9-foot awning. We can take a look at that once we head out and view the exterior of the camper. And then here we have for all of your tanks, like your gray water tank, your freshwater tank, all of that. Then we come over here to the bed. This bed is a queen bed with access to the pass-through storage underneath. Here's a pamphlet that kind of goes over some of the features of this RV. Up top, this will be for the tandem axle. So we want to focus on the features down here because this is a single axle. It does come with the 2-burner cooktop, the 4.5-foot cubic 12-volt refrigerator, and the undermount sink with the cover. Up above the bed, we do have some spots for storage. And then we also do have a little flip up storage as well. Camper does come with some outlets and USB ports for charging while sleeping at night. We also do have this nice little sofa here. This sofa is really nice. It does have access to storage under here, where you can put some extra things. The sofa is also what gives it access to the number of people that it can sleep, because it does pull out into a bed. This camper does sleep 3 people in total. The sofa is also pretty nice because it does have this cool feature for cup holders and everything, which is great when you're chilling with a friend. Over here to the refrigerator. This side. And then the freezer up top. And then above the refrigerator, we do have the TV backer with the outlet. This would be for your Wi-Fi prep, and then the all the needed access for TV. And over here into the kitchen, we also do have some storage spots above the sofa, just to give you some extra room. And then over here into the kitchen area, we do, like I said, have the 2-burner cooktop. And then we also do have the Furrion microwave. Look at that. Pretty standard. Then up here we do have some extra storage. And we do have the sink. One thing I love about the Pumas is just the countertop. I feel like you don't get this nice looking design in many campers made by Forest River. And then here, down here below, Under the sink, we do have some extra storage. And then one nice thing about this camper is that it does come with the bathroom. The camper is relatively small, but like I said at the beginning of the video, it has everything that you need. This is going to be great because it'll keep you from having to be using the camping facility bathrooms, which we all kind of know can be a little gross at times. So yeah, this is the inside. Let's take a look at the outside. Okay, to the exterior of the camper, like I said, this is the Puma Camping Edition, which does come with some cool features. It also is the single axle as well. And then we also get a view of the awning and the outdoor speakers. The awning is a 9-foot awning. And then over here we do have the pass-through storage that I mentioned when taking a look at the bed. So this also does have access. This lifts up in here. And so you can have access to that storage from inside the camper. And we do have the LP tank as well. And then heading around the back, we do have a couple connections. We've got the stabilizer jacks, we've got the outlet, and then we've got your standard connections as well. And then that'll be about it for the Puma Palomino Camping Edition 121 RKCE. Feel free to take a look. I will have a link with to our website to access this unit, where we will have additional information, stuff such as pricing, and even further details about the features of this unit. Thanks you guys for watching, and hope you have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and feel free to comment any questions or if you would like to see any other RVs in future videos.